Welcome friends, you are watching your YouTube channel Jyoti Sharma. Today we are going to know 25 most frequently asked questions from Indian polity and constitution. So if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's start the topic. Our first questions is, what was the basis for constituting the Constituent Assembly of India? Option is the resolution of Indian National Congress, the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946, the Indian Independence Act 1947, the resolution of Provincial State Legislature of the Dominion of India. The correct answer is the Cabinet Mission Plan. Next question. Of the following words in the preamble of the Constitution of India, which was not inserted through the Constitution 42nd Amendment Act 1976. The question is asking which word in the preamble was not inserted in the 42nd Amendment Act of 1976. The option is socialist, secular, dignity, integrity. The correct answer is dignity. Next question. Civil equality implies equality before law, equality of opportunity, equal distribution of wealth, equal right to participate in the affairs of the state. Civil equality implies equality before law. Next question. The preamble of Indian Constitution are on the basis of the preamble of Indian Constitution are on the basis of the British format Constitution, Irish P24 Constitution, American Constitution, French Constitution. The preamble of Indian Constitution are on the basis of French Constitution. Next question. According to the UN Convention on the Right of the Child, which amidst the following is not a right? UN Convention on the Right of Child, which amidst the following is not a right? Option is social security, employment, protection from exploitation, education. The correct answer is employment. Next question. Who is empowered to transfer a judge from one high court to another high court? Who is empowered to transfer a judge from one high court to another high court? Option is Chief Justice of India, President of India, Law Minister of India, the Union Cabinet. Who is empowered? President of India. Next question. What is the maximum time interval permitted between two sessions of parliament? What is the maximum time interval permitted between two sessions of parliament? Option is 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, 9 months. The correct answer is 6 months. Next question. The item education belong to union list, state list, concurrent list, residuary subject. The term education belong to concurrent list. Next question. What is the maximum number of elected member of Rajya Sabha? What is the maximum number of elected member of Rajya Sabha? Option number A 250, option number B 230, option number C 245, option number D 248. The correct answer is option number B 238. Next question. Who constitute the Finance Commission after every 5 years? Who constitutes the Finance Commission after every 5 years? The Council of Ministers, the Parliament, the President, the Comptroller and Auditor General. The President is the correct answer. The joint session of two houses of the Parliament is convened. The joint session of two houses of the Parliament is convened only in the case of national emergency, when a bill passed by one house is rejected by the other house, taxes approval by one house are received by the other house, both B and C. So the correct answer is both B and C. Next question. An ordinary bill passed by the State Assembly can be delayed by the Legislative Council for a maximum period of. The ordinary bill passed by the State Assembly can be delayed by the Legislative Council for a maximum period of. Option is 1 month, 6 month, 3 month, 4 month. The correct answer is 3 month. Next question. The president rule is imposed on a state in India when state cabinets of minister resign, when governor of state dies, the election are announced, there is a constitutional breakdown. The president rule is imposed on a state in India when. The correct answer is when there is a constitutional breakdown. Next question. Resources transferred from the government of India to states are termed statutory if they are made in the form of loans on the recommendation of the Planning Commission, on the recommendation of the Finance Commission, in the form of grants. The resources transferred from the government of India to states are termed statutory if they are made on the recommendation of the Finance Commission. Next. Which of the following state was first to adopt the Panchayati Raj? Which of the following state was first to adopt the Panchayati Raj? Option is Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Gujarat, Rajasthan. The first state to adopt the Panchayati Raj is Rajasthan. Indian Parliament can rename or redefine the boundary of a state by a simple majority, absolute majority, two-third majority of the member voting, two-third majority of the member voting, and an absolute majority of its total membership. Indian Parliament can rename or redefine the boundary of a state by. The correct option is a simple majority. Member of the Union Public Service Commission can be removed by the member of the UPSC can be removed by the Parliament after a resolution adopted with two-thirds majority. President on a unanimous recommendation from the Union Council of Ministers. President on the basis of an inquiry and report by the Supreme Court. President on the recommendation of Central Administrative Tribunal. The correct option is President on the basis of an inquiry and reported by the Supreme Court can be removed the member of Union Public Service Commission. Next question. In Indian Parliament, bill may be sent to a select committee. In Indian Parliament, a bill may be sent to a select committee after the first reading, after the second reading, after general discussion, during second reading, at any stage at the discretion of the speaker. The correct option is at any stage at the discretion of the speaker. Next question. Which is the source of political power in India? Which is the source of political power in India? The constitution, the parliament and the state legislative, we the people. The major source of political power in India is we the people. Next question. Once elected for a full term, a judge serve on the International Court of Justice for. Once elected for a full term, a judge serve on the International Court of Justice for 9 years. The correct answer is 9 years. Which of the following sets of articles deal with emergency provision? Which of the following sets of articles deal with the emergency provision? Article 32 and 226, Article 350 and 351, Article 352, 356 and 360, Article 335, 336 and 337. The following set of articles deal with emergency provision is Article 352, 356 and 360. Next question. The salaries and allowances payable to the member of the parliament are decided by the salaries and allowances payable to the member of the parliament are decided by the president, cabinet, parliament, finance commission. The correct answer is parliament. Next question. Which article of the Constitution of India accords special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? Which article of the Constitution of India accords special status to the state of Jammu and Kashmir? The Article 324, Article 311, Article 370, Article 356, which deal with the Jammu and Kashmir. 370, Article 370. The authority to propagate the two houses of the parliament rests with the authority to propagate the two houses of the parliament rests with the president, vice president, prime minister, speaker. The correct answer is president. Next question. This is our last question. Which of the following Indian state first adopted the three-tier Panchayati Raj system? Which of the following Indian states first adopt the three-tier Panchayati Raj system? Option is Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Rajasthan. So if you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Please hit the bell icon so you can get update to our latest video. Thanks for